Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open a Citibank account online. So the first thing that you'll need to do basically is go to citibank dot or citi.com. You can open your preferred browser and go here and type citi.com and hit the enter button. You'll find yourself on this homepage. All you need to do is just go and click on open an account. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to this page. Here you'll have to choose the option that you want. Probably you want a checking account. So go and click on open an account. Here you'll have to choose whether you want a regular chicken or access chicken. So the difference is basically here you'll get unlimited chicken right in here, just checkless banking. Here you'll get a $15 monthly fees. Here you'll get five. And of course you can see like the other options if you want. And here, as you can see, the same will be, which is 2.5 fees for non-CT ATMs if you want trying to get money from ATMs. So let's say I want a chicken account or like just access chicken, which is the checklist one. Once I click on apply or open, as you can see, I'll have to provide my personal information, ID verification, employment and income, set up an online access agreement and disclosure, transfer funds, all of those stuff right here. Just provide everything. Once you're done with that, you would have your account ready to use. Of course, if you're using the application, you'll need to download the application and make sure once you open it, you click on this third option, which is register for an account, and you'll have to basically go through the same. And yeah, that's how you basically open an account online and even on the app. So this is going to be it for me in this tutorial. Thank you for watching and goodbye.